Hey people, this is Kapil Shigri, finally a BMS student studying at BAMC Shivamogga. And the thing is, in one of my last videos I told people that I'll be making a Q&A. As I have reached 200 plus subscribers now, I thought I should make a fun Q&A in honor to celebrate that milestone. So at the end of that video, I asked people to send me questions in the comment section, and I also put that on my Instagram stories for people to ask me questions. Guess how many questions I got? Yes, I'll give you time so that you can think and tell me. I literally got 2 questions on Instagram, and that too, one question was about the measures to take in order to control hateful and other stuff, and the other question I'll be answering in a bit. Whereas on comment section on YouTube, I didn't even get a single question. It's fine, because why not? People did not have the mood to ask questions, which is fine then. But still, I went through my comment section and I got some of the questions from the previous videos where you have asked the questions about my college and my university rankings and other stuff. So I'll be answering some of them, because the other questions I'm not sure if I am supposed to answer in this video, because I'll be definitely answering in some of the other videos. So let's start the Q&A then. The first question that I got on my YouTube channel from Nitin Chaudhary is that how do you tackle all the comments when you get admission in BMS and not MBBS? सबको पता है कि जब आपका एडमिशन होता है BMS में, लेकिन आपका इंटेंशन है कि आप MBBS करो, ऑब्वियसली पहले हर्ट हो जाता है, क्योंकि आपको भी पता है एक्सपेक्टेशंस कितना हर्ट करते हैं लोगों को. तो इट ऑब्वियसली हर्ट मी, बिकॉज it's not that I wanted to go to MBBS. I never had the intention to go to MBBS at any point of my life, but my parents did have that intention to send me to doctor. They wanted me to be a doctor, so that never happened, but they say at least you can try this course. They wanted my sister to do this course, but my sister denied it completely, so they actually asked me if I want to do this, so I said yes, and that's how I got into BMS. And in initial stage there was a lot of regret, but I don't think I have it right now. I mean, obviously there is like some point, like at 5 to 10% of regret is still there, but can't help, because I'm already in BMS now. I can't quit. I'm in my 4th year. It's fine, so I'm going with it in a flow. The next question is, what's the name of your college and where is it? I know I answer this question in each and every video as an introduction of myself. The name of my college is Bapuji Ayurvedic Medical College, and it is located in Shivamogga, Karnataka. So the next question is my college private or government? I'm studying in a private college, but the seat that I got is government seat, so government seat in a private college is my answer. Are you in internship? This is from Imran. So no, I'm currently not doing any internship. I'm in my 4th year, that is final year. So after completing my final year, I'll have 1 year of internship in my college probably, and after that I have to see. So I'm not in internship right now. The next question is, why did I choose BAMS? Like I have told in my first at the beginning of the video, I did not choose BMS, but my parents wanted me to do it, so I thought, why not try? I know there are instances where you really want to quit, but as I already have wasted 1 year of my doing engineering, so I thought I should not quit again, so that I had no option left. So I just went on. And the next question is why not MBBS? I never felt the need to be a doctor or an engineer in the beginning, but still I took a leap of faith into both the fields, and I am totally failing in both of them. So MBBS is a vast thing, but not as vast as BAMS. So I now regret not doing MBBS. It's fine because I thought MBBS was more harder. Now I know which one is more harder in both of them. Next question is, what are my KCET rankings? My rankings were around 1200, I guess. That's how I got my first college as this one. This was my first on the option entry list, so I got into this college as I put this one on the list of the options. And the college that I studied my PU in is Alvas PU College, Modbidre. So you might know it. That is a very quite famous college. That's where I did my PU. And the next question is my favorite subjects. Like in first year I loved anatomy. Like for a person who loves more modern stuff, modern medical stuff, so you'll definitely like anatomy more. So I really liked anatomy in the first year. And then in second year, which all subjects? I think in second year I liked Roga Nidana because it had a lot of modern stuff, so maybe that's the reason. Other than that, in second year, which one? No, Roga Nidana it is. So in third year, which one? I think I liked PTSR, that is Prasuti Tantra and Sri Roga, because the lecturers were good and the topic is interesting and it stands out comparing to all the topics. So PTSR was my favorite in third year. And in final year that I'm currently studying in, like literally all the subjects are like great. So as of now I really like Shalya Tantra, that is surgery, and I also like Panchakarma. So these are the two specializations that I'm currently hooking up with. So I need to know which one I'll be doing my PG in. And yes, I'll be definitely doing my PG in, although lecturers are filling us with a lot of fear, saying there will be a lot more stuff to study, and I'm not a shloka buff, so I don't even know the shlokas of Vata Pitta Kapha, so which I literally got punishment for in recent days. So I'm not sure how I'll be managing that PG exam in the future, but I'm sure I'll definitely do it. So probably I'll be doing my PG in Shalya Tantra. I hope I'll stick on to that decision at the end of the year. We'll see. So these are the questions that I had from my Instagram and also from YouTube. Total 10 questions. That's a lot more questions than I expected, because I expected a lot from you people, but you did not give me. That's fine. So I had to make some of my own questions among those. So the thing is, I reached 213 subscribers day before yesterday. So thank you so much for that, and also keep subscribing to the channels. It means a lot that you people are reaching out to me on Instagram asking about suggestions of the college. That's also cool. You can text me anytime, so I'll definitely be answering your questions as I have a lot of free time. And also tomorrow is my first internal, that is RMMS, research methodology and medicinal statistics or something the subject is. So I need to study for that, hopefully, unless I procrastinate all day. So signing off. I know this was kind of boring, but thank you so much for sticking till the end, and do subscribe. Thank you.